Hello Professor, Kavya Verma here. So today I'm here to present my assignment number 3. So first let me show you how my API is working. So let me click on run. So now my API is live. Let's go into the browser, and as you can see, so all of the 20 movies are visible in my web browser. So I have included all the columns like you mentioned in the video, like id, title, studio genre, and the rest of the columns. So here are all the 20 movies here. Okay, now let me walk you through my code. So in my Spring Boot project, I have 5 main files. First file is movie controller. Another is a movie class file, which is my model. Another one is a movie repository. First Spring Boot application, this file, and the last one is pom.xml, in which all the dependencies are stored. So now first let me explain you movie.java class file. So in this file I have all the variables and the column names that I have mentioned in my database. These are the exact same names that I have mentioned. Now here is my getter and setter, all the getters and setters that are required to run the API. Now let's move on to the next file. So in next file is movie controller file. So here I have created the API. So as you can see, there is request mapping, and this is my API's address. So like whenever I go into this address, so here is API movie 20. So this shows my API, and we can also create another API just like this below this by using request mapping. Now let's move into the movie repository file. So on movie repository file, we have imported the model movie, sorry, and then there is repository. So this was my repository file. Now let's move into the application.properties. So in this file I have inputted the host username password that has been provided by free SQL database, and yeah, so this is my host, this is my username, this is password, and these are provided by free SQL site. Now let me show you the dependencies. So here is my pom.xml file in which I have implemented all the dependencies. So here is the dependency block. So this is MySQL, Java, or then there is Spring Boot starter.jpa. So all these dependencies were implemented while I was creating the project on the site of a Spring Boot. And yeah, so this was my project. Now let me show you a database. So first I have created the local instant database. So first my application was running on the local database, but then I imported all the data into a free SQL database. So here is my free SQL database. So here if I write describe movies, and if I click on run, just a second, let me expand this. Yeah, if I click on run, so it will, oh sorry, I need to select the database, use, just a second. Okay, let me click on run. Yeah, so the database is selected. Describe movies. Okay, so here is my table in which I have created all the columns, and I have inserted all the values. So this is the table that stores all the value, and this thing is hosted in the free SQL database site, so you can also access it. And yep, so that was pretty much it, and this was my assignment 3, and thank you.